Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on the 2021 Toyota Sienna. Open your glove box and then you're going to push one on each side. As you can see the word say push, you're going to push it in and then it comes off. And then you also have to remove this clip for the glove box. But I'm going to start on the left side because it's really tight. So you're going to use two hands and go ahead and push back off the arm. Same this side. This one's a little bit easier. So you're going to remove it from this arm right here, and then you're going to remove it from this clip. I don't know if you see it, this clip right here. I'm going to remove the glove box out of the way so you can have a better look inside where the cabin air filter is at. So as you can see, this is the cabin air filter cover. The cabin air filter is right in the back of there with the tray. So to remove this cover, you're going to pinch this part, and then you're going to pull it off of that hinge right here, as you can see. And here is the cabin air filter tray. You're going to pull, and as you can see, the word up is pointing up. And that's how you put it in as well. So here's the cabin air filter that I'll be using. It is FD157. I'll also leave the link in the description below. Now here's the cabin air filter. It looks pretty dirty. You want to change it every 15,000 miles. To remove the old cabin air filter, you want to pull back out of the way of the two prong right here, and then you can lift up and then slide it out from this two prong. So to insert the new cabin air filter, as you can see, the manufacturer is saying airflow is pointing down. So as you know, when you insert the tray back in, the airflow is pushing down, and this is where all the debris catches it. So for this manufacturer, they're saying airflow is pointing down. So you want to lay it on top like that on the tray. So you make sure you put it underneath this two prong right here. You're going to slide. And then put it on top, bottom of this two prong as well. And some manufacturers, like the OEM one, they're saying to lay the tray up. So you gotta make sure to put the cabin air filter in the right spot and the right orientation, or else it's gonna not work properly. So for the OEM, it's saying up, so I leave the air filter up like this. But for the aftermarket one, they're saying the airflow is pointing down, so you want to lay the airflow direction pointing down like that on top of the tray. So now I'm gonna put the tray back in. As you can see, it's a up right here, and then I'm gonna put the cover, make sure it slides onto the hinge right there, and then you can snap it back in. Now I'm gonna put the glove box back on. Now to slide the glove box back on, make sure the glove box is the hook is sitting on top of the plastic piece right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the left side. So I'm gonna aim it down like that. It slides on, and then I'm gonna push the glove box back in, so that the two arm is in the back of the plastic piece right there. Then I'm gonna put the clip back in like that, and you're all done.